and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm cooking in the Ooni Karu 12 with a gas burner. Let's make a chorizo pizza. Let's do it. Okay, I've made the pizza, it's ready to go in, and I've just given it a little wiggle just to check, and it is. So let's get this pizza in. Just turned the oven a bit more. I had it on low, but I think it needs to be on higher. It was taking a while to cook. Done. So what are my thoughts on this pizza dough? This is a 60% dough recipe and it's 24-hour room proof and a 190 gram dough ball. I left it to proof in a ball before using it for an hour. Let me know which crust you prefer, which cook you prefer. The one here that wasn't balled up at all before the stretch, I balled it up a minute before I used it, and this one was an hour. I got that bubble because of that. Did it give time for that to happen? Because I didn't get bubbles like that in my other pizza dough cook. I think the dough is lovely and crispy. The crust is very crispy indeed. I love it. Oh my god. Oh, so nice. Cooking with gas in the Ooni Karu 12 is so easy to do. It's the Ooni gas burner that I use. That used to fit on the Ooni 3 when that was originally out. But it does a really good job in this oven. It's well placed in there. I've made a video about the gas burner, which is linked here as well. I think it's done a really good cook. It was on low at the beginning of the cook. I turned it up because it was just cooking too slow. I'm not sure if that hour proof was worth the wait because my other pizza crusts have come out as good, I think. But let me know what you think about whether I need to ball up an hour before or minute before looking at these different pizzas. I've used the same recipe, the same dough process, everything is the same, just different ovens, different resting time before ball up. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you did and like it. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.